In this video, I'm going to show you how to launch your Claude with Qwen 3.5, which is an open source model using Ollama. You can see that we're using open source models, and I basically asked it to clone the repo and understand the whole context, and it was able to perfectly clone the repo and do all sorts of things. We'll do other such things, look at different experiments, but let's move on to the issue that we are facing right now. So you can see Claude has this subscription which costs about $17 per month, and we have the max plan at $100 per month. Now, even though I have limits on my current session, but if I start to use this, it gets out very quickly, and then I would like to use some free models to do my work. This is the motivation of this video. The motivation of this video is to use some open source models like Qwen 3.5, which is running on Ollama on my local system, and use it to run Claude Code. Let's see even if that's possible, and by the way, it's possible, and I'm going to show you how. So let's go ahead and start the show. First of all, I would like to go to a particular folder. So I take this folder and I open up VS Code, and then I go ahead to open up this folder. So let's open up the folder quickly, and then let's get started. So we open up a terminal here, and I open up PowerShell because that's better to work with. Need different permissions here. So we are inside the PowerShell, and now let us start. So if we go to this link, I will paste in the link here. Here basically we have docs.ollama.com, and there we have an integration of Claude Code. So if you go to this integration, you have all the details of how to get that connection. So first and foremost, you need to install Claude Code. So I copy this, go back and paste in here, and just install Claude Code here. While this is installing, you can go ahead and just pull up the models that you need. So you can use the models that are running on the cloud of Ollama as well, but again, you will need to be on the paid plan as of today when I tried this. So what you can do is you can download some other models on your local system, and then you can just say Ollama launch Claude, and then you can just put in the name of the new model. So the model that worked for me, you can try other models, is Qwen 3.5. And if I go down, you can see that we have all these sizes, and considering that my RAM is 16 GB, this was the model that I found very suitable. So I copy this, then I go ahead and install Ollama as well. So we need to install Ollama in our system as well, otherwise that won't work. So for installing Ollama, you can run this command in your PowerShell. So I go back, and you can see that we have this Claude Code installation done. And one more thing I was stuck is, you can see this link, location of C users username.local.bin. You can take this path from C to the bin here and add to the environment variables. Make sure you have this, otherwise this won't work. So we go to the variables, and you can click here, double click, or you can say one click and edit, and you add this here. So you click on new and add the path here, and then move it up to the top here. So this is one way to add the environment variables, because it needs access to this claude.exe file when we start up the Claude instance here. And this time it doesn't show me any error, but when I did it for the first time, it specifically mentioned that the environment variables is not added, so you can do that step as well. Now let's install Ollama. Let's quickly go ahead and run this. I already have installed Ollama, and therefore, but again, it's going to reinstall, maybe some updates, we don't know. Next, we are looking at this model, Qwen 3.5. This is an amazing model. So the downloading is done for Windows 100%. It is installing now. So the installation of Ollama is complete. Now you can just run Ollama and just press enter, and it will show you that it is alive. So I'm going to stop this, but let's go ahead and do Ollama list. And you can see that I already have installed Ollama, and you can see all these models that I have. These cloud models are not running on my local system, but it's on the cloud of Ollama. I need a paid subscription. They give free for few turns, but you need a subscription ultimately. But the model that we are going to look at is this Qwen 3.5 9 billion. So if you go back to the models here, you can see that this is the model. So I copy this model, and it's written here that you just need to run this model, Ollama run Qwen. And if I go back and I say Ollama pull and the name of the model here, if you do this, it's going to pull the model from the Ollama storage, and you can see that 6.6 GB, and it's a success. So the model is pulled, and you can see the model here. This is the model. Let me quickly remove the other two models that are here so that I can show you exactly how it's done. So let me remove. So remove Quen 3.5. This is an extra model because the latest version and I can see the latest version and the 9 billion version is exactly the same thing. You have the latest here and the 9 billion here with the same thing. So we can remove this. So we need to do I'm extremely sorry. We need to do Ollama remove, and that's done. We have another model that I would like to remove, this latest 64K, because this is something I wanted to show to you. Therefore remove this, and basically this is removed now. So I clear this and then I say Ollama list. Now I have this single model Quen 3.5 9 billion, and that runs on my system. So for example, I say Ollama run Quen 3.5 and 9 billion. This will run on my system. So you can see that 1 plus 1, it's thinking and it's giving me the response. Okay, so this model works. Okay, you can see that this model is working. So I can now close this, Control D for saying bye. And then once again, let me see the list of models that I have. So Quen 3.5 9 billion. And now what I need to do is I want to start Claude with this model. So if I go back to the guidelines here, we can see that we can start this model like this. So Ollama launch Claude, and then you just say the name of the model. So name of the model is Quen 3.5 9 billion, and just run this. This is going to launch Claude Code, and you can see that we are inside this folder. So a quick safety check. Is this the project you have created or you trust? Yes, I trust the project. So I say yes. I say enter. Basically, it's ready. So you can see that we have our models here. So we can see /models model, and you can see that all these models, so custom sonnet model, custom opus model, custom haiku, and all these 4 models, basically there are 3 models, and this is a custom model. All these are having this default of Quen 3.5 9 billion, which is really great. So now we are using our local model. Hi, how are you? Now you can see that it took about 42 seconds, but if I don't have this recording instrument on, it takes less time. But again, 42 seconds for this reply using your local LLM Quen 3.5 9 billion. Now this model, if you go to our CMD, this is an important thing that I want to say to you. So for example, if we have this Ollama list here, there's a list of LLMs that you have, and if I do Ollama PS, it's going to show me the models which are running right now. So you can see that Ollama PS Quen 3.5 9 billion is running, which is the size of 9.8 GB. And you can see that CPU, 45% of my CPU and 55% of my GPU is being used to run this model. Now I want you to focus on this context length for running Claude Code and the functions and the activities that we do inside of Claude Code, like working on a big project. This context is very small. But again, we know Quen 3.5 9 billion has a very good context length. You can see it has 256K context length, but here when we use it on our system, it's just 16,384. Now there is a way to increase the context length or use more of the context length on Ollama itself. For that, what you need to do is to create a model file. I've talked about this in this video. It's a very old video, but we need to create a model file, no extensions. And inside the model file, what we need to write is, I need to write from, and then say Quen 3.5 and the model that you're talking about. And then we need to put some parameters. If you're not sure what to do, go to this link. I already have the link. If you go to this link, docs.ollama.com model file, here you can see that we take from a model. So from that particular model that you're trying to edit, and then parameter, numctx, and this value. So we go to parameter, numctx, and this value. So we don't need this. And this value, we are going to increase this to 655.36, and then make sure you have this same name here. So Quen 3.5 9 billion. And that's done. So this is our model file. Now using this model file, we can create another model. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this here. I'm going to clear this, and then I'm going to do Ollama create a new model. So the name of the model, it depends on me what I choose, but I'm going to use the same model here, like 9 billion, and then I'm going to say 64K context, and then I'm going to say -f for the file. I'm going to use the model file. So this is the syntax to create a new model, and you can see that it has exactly created a new model. Now we can see that model inside of Ollama list as well. So I can say Ollama list, and that model will be available on the top. You can see this model. So 64K context is the same model. Basically, it has been copied twice taking twice your memory. You can delete the older one if you need, but it says 64K context now. Now what you can do, you can start up Ollama launch Claude -- model, and you can say 64K. So now you would have a good context length. Okay, so you're using this model, say, look at the model. So using this model, and now you have a much bigger context to work with. Now let's go ahead and clone a repo. Let's go ahead to my GitHub and try to clone this repo. So for example, this void model, copy this, and let's say I'm going to use my voice here. Hey Claude, can you copy this repo and tell me the important things that I need to know? Also tell the system requirements that I need to run this repo on my local system. If not local, what I can do, I have run pods available as VPS. I can use that as well, but tell me the way how to do that. Okay, and I paste in the repo here, and let's see. So it's using, we have essentially increased the context length so as to help it. Otherwise, you know, it gets tripped off in between. So you can see that it is asking to run or git clone the repo here. Really good. Do you want me to proceed? Yes, and don't ask again for git clone. So this is going to make a new file here. So you can see that void model that is being cloned now, and you can see that we have the entire files here, and it's going to go ahead and not just clone but try to reply what I've asked here. So while this is running, what I can say is, if you go to this document that I've shown you, docs.ollama.com, here there are some models, recommended models that you can use. So the model that we've used right now was Qwen 3.5. You can use Qwen 3.5 Cloud, which is the model which is running on the Ollama cloud. You need a paid subscription for this. Sometimes some credits here and there, but again, to use it on Claude Code, you need a paid subscription of Ollama. Otherwise, you can use GLM 4.7 Flash as well. You can obviously download these models on your local system or get these models running on VPS like RunPod. So you can get this running on RunPod like VPS. You can go ahead and check the link. Ultimately, you need a model running on Ollama, and then you can do this. So you can do this Ollama launch Kimi K2 Cloud, and then you can connect with Telegram as well. There's different activities that you can do. Go ahead and try. If not, I will certainly make another video, but I think the model is thinking hard. It's reading everything and trying to come up with a good answer. So you can see that it cogitated for 10 minutes, about 11 minutes, but again, very good outputs. So let's go ahead and see the outputs. So what Void is a video object removal model built on Cog video that removes objects from video along with physical interactions. Okay, component requirement is about 60 GB training and 30 to 50 GB inference. Your hardware is 16 GB, sufficient, but inference uses GPU RAM, not system RAM. Okay, and GPU is not enough. We need about 40 GB GPU or 800. Okay, your 8 GB GPU is not enough. 5 billion parameter video alone requires 10 to 14 GB VRAM. Step 1 would be to pip install requirements and then git clone. Okay, and then download this model and then open a Python notebook and then use this. Okay, cool. We can see that we are running this Qwen 3.5 9 billion 64 context window model in our local system on Claude Code, and you can see it's amazing. By the way, you need to be on at least a pro plan to use this. That's one thing. But I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to connect with some of the free models like OpenRouter free models, that these models that you have are for free. So I'm going to show you how to connect Claude Code with these free models from OpenRouter. Like OpenRouter is again a huge place where you can get models, paid models, free models, and it's really amazing. You can check out this video where we will try to implement Claude Code and OpenRouter.